Welcome. In front of me I have some ULANZI, a universal teleprompter. It's the TR02, and today I'll just be going over unboxing and a look at the teleprompter itself. Okay, so let's get into it. Now I do have a Sony camera right here for like testing to see how well it fits on here, so we'll see if it even works with this. First, let's get into it though. Zoom out just a little bit so we have a bit more space. This one seems to have a bit bigger packaging. Now, just like the previous one that I had just a moment ago unboxed, this one also comes with this garbage like controller. These are just freaking terrible. This is what you used to get for like literally $1 or so on AliExpress with your Google Cardboard kind of like VR thing where you just slap in your phone for the phone version of what VR was, and you had these as a controller for them. So needless to say, these are terrible. And next we have, and these are like very jammed in there, lenses. See what we have. We have a 77mm one, 58, 72, 67, and 82, which is okay on the side. So I can already tell you that for the camera that I have, none of them will actually work, because the Sony camera that I have right here has a thread right here, and the smallest one, which is like 40 something, is still just genuinely too big by like decent margin. So I won't be able to like test it out properly. What else we got in here? Come on, there we go. So this is, I presume, for our mount for the phone or camera. This looks like it's for the camera lens, weirdly enough. Anyway, let's also get this out. And that's about it in the box. So I'm gonna just yoink it to the ground. Okay. Now, one interesting thing here, we have basically like a rubberized surface. I think this is rubber on here. So you could just grab a phone and just straight like place it like so. And as you can see, it's not going to be slipping too much. So it is being held there pretty well. This is glass right here. That's pretty good. And let's see, we have a button. So I think by default, what we have right here is possibly for a phone. So you can just grab something like this and just wham it in there, but don't really like that, to be honest. Trying to figure out how to take that off. Oh, there we go. Okay. So yeah, I think this is for a phone though. You have to have a thin phone to fit in there. And instead we can use this. If I can figure out how to mount it. Not like that. I'm not gonna try to figure this out. It's maybe a little bit longer. Oh, let's see. There we go. This goes like this, and then this to be moved, for instance, around, though I'm not sure what the purpose of this is, to be completely honest, if that's where your DSLR will go. But yeah, that's about it. I'm not really gonna go into much more in depth into this. So yeah, this one actually seems kind of nicer in terms of just finish, how it looks like, and accessibility, as we do have things like, for instance, a little point for either a camera kind of mounting for like flash or microphones. We have obviously the entire thing right here for lenses and your DSLR, and another one for camera mic right here on the other side. Threaded bottom so you can mount it on a tripod. Rubberized surface right here so you can just place your phone or whatever on here. And in terms of just general aesthetic, it looks nice. In terms of feel, it does kind of feel cheapish. So we do have what looks to be a feels like fabric right here, but for instance the plastic just feels very cheap. Any kind of like harder press on it and it feels like it's just gonna snap. So for instance this little button right here that you press to basically twist this, if you press it too hard or something like that, I feel like this might just snap off because it feels very rigid and cheap. But anyway, that's about it. So yeah, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.